are you talking? What are you talking about? What? What's he talking? What? You tell me a story? Will you tell me a story? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You my baby? Oh yes you are. You're my baby. And I love you. I love you a lot. Whoa. How do you say I'm sorry? How do you say I'm sorry? That's not how you do it. Tell me you're sorry. Come here. Tell me you're very, very sorry. There's no need for any of that. Nobody's going to hurt Merlin. Nobody's going to hurt that Merlin. He's a good, good boy. You love that Merlin. You love that Merlin. I do. And I'm going to pet your back. Good job. Yeah, you didn't jump or snap. Good job. I touched you and you didn't expect it. Good job, Merlin. Good job. Hurrah for Merlin. Good job, baby boo-boo. Good job. Little boo-boo. Where's my baby boo-boo? Where's my baby boo-boo? Ah, there's my baby. That's my baby bird. Are you my little lover? My little lovey-boo-boo. My little lover. Who loves you, Merlin? Merlin. Merlin. My little hero. You are a little hero. I know something about your behavior. You are a wonderful bird. You are a wonder baby. No, you have to be a good bird. What? I did it. I touched you when you didn't expect it. You didn't jump. And you didn't snap. You're turning into a brave baby. You are a brave baby bird. Oh my goodness. You have an itchy back? You have your back scratched? Wow. That's new. That's new. Funny little... My funny baby. Put your finger out of your eye.